How many seasons do we know? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go! Winter, spring, summer, fall. We will learn them one and all. Summer is hot, the sun is bright. We wear our hats and clothes so light. Let's go swimming, splash and play. Summer is a sunny day. Winter is cold, the wind goes woo. We wear warm coats and mittens too. Let's make snowballs, slide and ski. Winter fun for you and me. Spring is fresh with flowers all round. Little raindrops hit the ground. Birds are singing, trees grow tall. Spring is lovely for us all. Autumn comes, the leaves fall down. Red and yellow, orange and brown. We jump in leaves, we laugh and run. Fall is cool and full of fun. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Now we know them one and all. What's the weather? Take a peek. Let's dress right for every week.